Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to bookmark all of your tabs here on Firefox. Now if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below as it really helps the channel out with the algorithm, and of course don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first thing we want to do, let's get a couple tabs ready. So let's get a Business Insider, let's have another tab let's go for Sky News, and let's open another one for The Independent. Okay, all we need to now do is right click on the tabs at the top and just click Select All Tabs. You can now see they're all selected. Now what we need to do is right click and then Bookmark Tabs. And now I can choose where exactly I'd like to save all of these tabs to on my bookmarks. So let's go for our menu, for example. And then all we need to do is change the name. So if I'll change this to Assortment, for example, and then all we need to do is click Save. That is all you need to do. Hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.